Let's talk about 21st century skills now. 21st century skills is nothing else but your lifelong learning. And they are bifurcated into three buckets or three pillars, if you want to call them: foundational literacy, competencies, and character qualities. Okay, foundational literacies. What does that mean? Foundational literacies. Let's focus on the first one. Foundational literacies. How students apply core skills to everyday tasks. Okay, core skills. What are core skills? They have been listed. There are 6 of them: literacy, numeracy, scientific literacy, ICT literacy, financial literacy, cultural and civic literacy. Right? So, this is something that we would have in the foundational years, in the preparatory years. Foundational literacy, foundational numeracy, and the scientific temper. And of course, getting used to effective use of ICT, information communication technology. That is easily done by the students now. So I don't have to worry about it. Financial literacy. Now look at this. Why is financial literacy put up here? Oh, well, it is important that they need to know how to manage their finances, not manage money. We're not giving them money to manage, but they should know the value of whatever they are getting, or at least understand the concept of managing your resources, managing your finances. We have chapters on money for children right from probably second standard or first standard. We have put money in senior KG only, right? Acumen today. Yeah, okay. So financial literacy starts from an early age, which will help them to understand the value of money going forward. I'll give you an example. Nobody taught us what we should be doing with our money when we were in school and college. फर्स्ट जॉब मिलने के बाद भी पता नहीं, फर्स्ट सैलरी मिलने के बाद तो पता ही नहीं था, और इतना सारा पैसा जिंदगी में पहली बार देख रहे हैं, क्या करना पता नहीं है, उड़ा दो बस। उड़ा दिया, ठीक है, पहली सैलरी उड़ा दी, दूसरी सैलरी आ गई, अरे लास्ट मंथ क्या किया मैंने, अच्छा वो बाकी था, अच्छा ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, सेकंड मंथ उड़ा दिया, थर्ड मंथ आ गया, अरे अभी भी बहुत ख्वाहिश बाकी है, थर्ड मंथ भी उड़ा दिया। अभी थर्ड मंथ उड़ाने के बाद चौथा महीना आएगा तो क्या करोगे यार, उड़ाओगे ना, वो आदत पड़ गई। Nobody told you how to manage your money. Now, if we start telling them the importance of all of this simple thing, India is a savings economy, and we have survived because we are a savings economy, right? So, if it is told early in life, they will be able to manage it well. That's the only intent. And of course, cultural and civic literacy, that is something which nobody has to teach us, especially Indians. Multicultural country like India is, I think, the best country in the world to know different cultures, different religions, different practices, and a whole lot of stuff, which leads to civic literacy. Civic literacy is knowing about you being a citizen of the country. Competencies. Now look at this. How students approach complex challenges. Life is full of challenges, isn't it? Well, what better time to talk about challenges than the pandemic? There are so many challenges that we all faced. फिर भी डट के खड़े हैं, right? That is because we have these competencies in us. And what are those competencies? We call them the 4 C's. The 4 C's of 21st century skills, which is critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration. 4 C's. Why is this needed? Because this is what will bring about the thinking, the thought process of the children to look at holistically solving a particular problem. We will all have complex challenges going forward. Complex challenges in our personal lives, complex challenges in our professional life, complex challenges in the society, complex challenges at a global level, lot of challenges that we will face. How can we address all those challenges and find solutions is by applying critical thinking and problem solving skills, for which we have to be creative. Yes, creativity is very important. For creativity, I need to have imagination. And for imagination, I need to have my own thought process. And for having my own thought process, I need to learn a few things, either through experiential learning or through integrated learning or through whatever learning, not rote learning. Please understand. And then I need to communicate. Oh, well, if I were to just show this slide and just talk in simple terms, saying that foundational literacy consists of literacy, numeracy, scientific literacy, ICT literacy, financial literacy, cultural and civic literacy. Okay. Next is competencies. Competencies is consisting of critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, communication, collaboration. Okay. Understood? Yeah, बेचारे students understood पूछेगी teacher तो yeah, yes sir, yes madam में बोलेंगे ना, but they wouldn't have understood anything. So communication is very important. You need to know how to connect, and most important, collaboration. Look at an example that we are collaborating. We are sitting in different places, different geographic locations, but we are able to connect, we are able to communicate, we are able to talk, we are able to see. Wonderful thing. Technology has enabled wonderful collaboration tools. They have given us wonderful collaboration tools. Zoom और वो सब तो अभी बहुत यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, but उसके पहले भी social media is a wonderful collaboration tool. But what do? We don't do anything about it. We just do time pass. If it is used for probably doing some joint projects, students in Delhi have their own challenges. Students in Mumbai have their own challenges. Students in Bangalore have their own challenges. If they can collaborate all together and probably try to know what the problem is and then find out a solution, probably it becomes a very good example of a collaborative project. Right? So examples of these kind are, hundreds of examples are there. The thing is, teachers are not able to get this out. Not that teachers don't know. They know, but probably they're not able to get it done. And that is where we can play a role. Right? We'll come to that later. Okay, now coming to the third pillar, which is your character qualities. How students approach their changing environment. Just imagine the environment in which we are, wherein we are bombarded with a lot of unnecessary, unwanted, unwarranted, unrelated information, which acts on us. We get influenced. Whether it is true, false, fake, doesn't matter. We get influenced. But that is where your character qualities play a major role, and it's going to be very, very important going forward, for which you need to have the curiosity. We all are born with curiosity. Yes, we keep asking a lot of questions. Asking questions is the first step towards curiosity, because there is something in your mind that you want an answer to. जब तक वो आंसर नहीं मिलेगा तब तक मैं शांत नहीं बैठूंगा. जब तक मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आएगा तब तक मैं चुप नहीं बैठूंगा. गुड, क्यूरियोसिटी बच्चों में होता ही है. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? घर में पेरेंट्स क्यूरियोसिटी को मार देते हैं, स्कूल में टीचर क्यूरियोसिटी को मार देती है. कैसे? Who are you to ask me questions? Don't ask me questions. I will ask you questions. You should answer me. Is what the teacher says. और घर में क्या बोलते हैं? Difficult questions. Sometimes parents wouldn't have the answer. The usual answer that we have all heard of. जब तुम बड़ा हो जाओगे तब पता चल जाएगा. Right? बड़ा कब होगा, कब पता चलेगा, पता ही नहीं चलता है. Anyway, पता ही नहीं चलता है कई questions के answers. You're killing that curiosity. That curiosity should not be killed. And for that, there needs to be some initiative. We need to provide this to the students, that the initiatives that they take are respected by the elders. And when I say elders, not just the teachers, including the parents. And because of all this, what's happening? The persistence and grit, wo jo zid hai na, zid. Just compare the persistence and grit that we have and the persistence and grit these children have today. जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. वो छोड़ देते हैं. एक बार आया, डिफिकल्ट, ट्राई इट वंस मोर. बहुत पुश करना पड़ता है, बहुत मोटिवेट करना पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट टाइम दे ट्राई, दे फेल. नहीं आता, ये तो नहीं आएगा मुझे, छोड़ देते हैं. Why? Because they have a lot of options. ये नहीं तो वो नहीं तो ये. हमारे टाइम पे ऑप्शंस नहीं थे. करना है तो करना है बस. So that built up some persistence and grit automatically. किसी ने सिखाया नहीं, वो automatically सीख गए. Which is very important to face the challenges of life. If we don't prepare students on all of this, how will they face challenges going forward? And the challenges are going to be even more than what we are facing, for which they need to be adaptable. Adaptability is very important. Now, what is that adaptability? Is about adapting in different situations, adapting in different conditions, adapting in different challenges that they would be facing, right? For which they need to have some leadership qualities. Now, we had that civic and cultural literacy there. Now we have the social and cultural awareness as well. So all of this put together would be the 21st century skills that every individual should be exposed to. One is on the literacy, which is education. The other is on competencies in terms of what will I do with the education. And the third is the quality that I need for being a successful and a useful citizen. Citizen to myself, citizen to my family, citizen to my society, citizen to my country and the global world. Right? So when we talk about 21st century skills, all of this gets covered.